about the white paper of Tamil Nadu government by asking. So please do make a decision.
Listen, I'm also curious to know about it. Could you educate me?
Yes, of course. But before that, I want you to review fact about the Tamil Nadu. Like each native Tamil Nadu Tamil Nadu consists of 2 points that the Indian Minister of Tamil Nadu, Avinashi, by speaking white paper.
Is my family doing it?
Yes.
But how?
Okay, wait. Let me explain. But before that, we want to know some important physical and budgetary problems. Here we go. The first one is the white paper. It is a guide of information about the physical management, state's liability, and especially the laws and laws of the state-owned corporation, including the Tamil Nadu Board of Electricity in the past years. The second one is the revenue system. It comprises of 4 components, namely the state's own tax revenue, the share from the central tax, the non-tax revenue, and the grant from the central government. The third one is the revenue expenditure. The revenue expenditure is the amount of money given by the state government as pension, salaries, and etc. to the people. These do not create assets. The fourth one is the capital receipts. The capital receipts includes the disinvestment proceeds, borrowing of government and repayment of loan, and the advances of the public sector and the statutory bonds. The fifth one is the capital expenditure. It is the expenditure which creates assets like roads, hospitals, school buildings, etc. And it also includes the loans given by the state. This one is the revenue deficit. Normally, the revenue receipt should exceed revenue expenditure. So, the balance can be used to finance the capital expenditure. But on the other hand, if the revenue expenditure exceeds the revenue receipt, this shortfall is known as revenue deficit. So, this can be bridged by the borrowing from the reserves or by other borrowings from the banks. The last and final one is the physical balance. Physical balance is defined as the difference between total receipt, that is revenue receipt, and the non-debt capital receipt, and the total expenditure, that is revenue expenditure and the capital expenditure. The physical balance defined as the quantum of the government borrowing which is used to finance the capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Now you will get the answer to the question, why is your family in debt? A few days before the announcement of the race budget, the Finance Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. introduced the white paper about the finance of Tamil Nadu to highlight the mismanagement of finance during the past years. Here are the major takeaways from the white paper. The revenue deficit has been deteriorating since the 80s. This led to the decline of the development investments. The revenue deficit is 3.16% of GST, which is gross state domestic product of the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. The physical deficit has been increasing due to increasing in the borrowing. The physical deficit is 4.43% of GST of the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. The public debt of the state is 26.69%, which is above the allowed limit of 25%. The total outstanding of the Tamil Nadu is considered as 4,85,503. However, if we consider the other means of financial release, the total outstanding is 5,24,574 crores. This high in public debt led all of us to liability of 2,63,574 rupees until now for per family. The white paper also reveals the loopholes of the state's taxation policy. Taxation is one of the main revenue receipt of a state government. The state's own tax revenue has started to decline. Tamil Nadu's population is 6.124% of the country, but the share of the revenue is only 4.07%, which is the proportion of 66.607%. This is the third lowest in the country. Subsidies. Subsidies is the discount given by the government. It is the form of revenue expenditure. Subsidies amount to 12.65% of revenue expenditure and 1.48% of GST in the year 2006 to 2007. This has increased to 27.06% of revenue expenditure and 3.21% of GST in the year of 2020 to 2021. The power subsidy is 1.10% of GST. The food subsidy is 0.49% of GST. The transport subsidy is 0.19% of the GST. These are the major takeaways from the white paper of the NADU government.
I hope now you understood why you and your family are in debt.
Yes, very well. Thank you, my friend, for enlightening me about the current status of my government. Can't we overcome this financial crisis?
Yes, we can. For this, the Tamil Nadu government has appointed a new advisory council. This council consists of the RBI governor Raghuram Rajan, the Nobel laureate Esther Duflo, the
Chief Economic Advisor to the Union Government Arvind Subramanian, the Development Economist G. Brizzy, and the former Financial Secretary S. Narayan. Based on the recommendation of the council, the government works hard to achieve the autonomy of the state.
Before we are signing off this video, we would like to end this video with Tirukkural by Thiruvalluvar about governance. இயற்றலும் ஈட்டலும் காத்தலும் காத்தல் வகுத்தலும் வல்ல தரசு. Thank you.